Students, today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 14. Alibaba Limited issued 18,000 12% debentures at the face value of rupees 100 as on 1st April 2017. Interest on these debentures is paid on 30th September and 31st March, means half yearly interest is paid. Past journal entries of the above transactions for the year ended 31st March 2018. Assuming income tax rate is 20% for the calculation. Students, जब भी इस तरह का सम पूछा जाता है तब आपको ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं. फर्स्ट, आपको इश्यू की एंट्री देनी है एज ऑन 1/4/2017, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, टू डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट. Amount will be 18,000 multiplied by 100 means 18 lakh. Then narration being amount of application and allotment is received on 18,000 debentures at rupees 100 per debenture. Then next entry as on 1/4/17, debenture application and allotment account debit to 12% debentures account ₹18 lakh. Narration being debenture application and allotment, money is transferred to debentures account. देन स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट एंट्री करेंगे हम इंटरेस्ट के लिए एज ऑन 30th September 2017. हाफ ईयरली इंटरेस्ट इज पेएबल ऑन डिबेंचर्स. सो फर्स्ट डेट इज गिवन हियर 30th September and next date is 31st March. सो ये 2 डेट्स पर हम इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. So entry will be interest on debenture account debit to debenture holders account to TDS payable account. Here tax rate is also given. So the interest rate on debenture is 12%. 18 lakh multiplied by 12%, then it comes 2,16,000 and we have to calculate half yearly interest. So multiply by 6 divide by 12, then amount will be 1,08,000. And here 20% is tax rate is given. So 1,08,000 multiplied by 20%, we will get 21,600 and it is transferred to TDS payable account. and the difference amount will be transferred to debenture holders account. 1,08,000 minus 21,600 means 86,400. Narration: being interest due on 30th September on 12% debentures and income tax deducted at source. And in the next entry, students, we will pay to debenture holders and after that TDS payable. So as on 30th/9/2017 we have to pay to debenture holders. So entry will be debenture holders account debit to bank account. डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को पे करना था हमें 86,400. देन नरेशन: बीइंग पेमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. Next we will pay to TDS payable. Then entry will be TDS payable account debit to bank account. 21,600. Narration: being TDS deposited in income tax department. Then students, next interest is payable on 31st March. So we will write the entry on 31st March 2018. Then above three entries are repeated. Interest on debenture account debit to debenture holders account to TDS payable account. Here also we will calculate interest for 6 months. 18 lakh 12% multiply by 6 divide by 12, then amount comes 1,08,000. Same way 20% for tax, so it will come 21,600 and difference amount will be transferred to debenture holders account means 86,400. Then narration: being interest due on 31st March on 12% debentures and income tax deducted at source. Then same way we will pay debenture holders 31st March 2018 debenture holders account debit to bank account. 86,400. Then narration being payment of interest. Next entry will be payment of tax, so TDS, payable account debit. To bank account 21,600. Then narration being TDS deposited in income tax department. Last and final entry will be we will transfer the interest on debenture account to statement of P&L account. So statement of P&L account debit to interest on debenture account. Then students, total interest will be transferred to statement of P&L account. First 1,08,000 plus second 1,08,000 means 2,16,000 will be transferred to statement of P&L account. Then narration being amount of interest for the full year is transferred to statement of P&L account. इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 14. स्टूडेंट्स हियर नो नीड टू मेक टोटल. और इसी के साथ कंप्लीट के साथ स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.